Why are there not more people talking about the game-changing benefits of Gurukrupa industrial packaging machinery? Imagine boosting your productivity and cutting costs all at once. With Gurukrupa industrial packaging machinery, it's not just a dream, it's your new reality. Our advanced machines streamline your packaging process, slashing manual labor and ramping up production speed. Less time, less waste, more profits. Think of the savings, fewer labor costs and minimize material waste. Plus, our automation ensures top-notch safety, reducing workplace injuries and keeping your team secure. With Gurukrupa, scaling your production to meet growing demands is a breeze. High-quality machinery and reliable materials mean your products are always packaged to perfection. From customized solutions to a diverse range of products, Gurukrupa has you covered, no matter your industry. Ready to transform your business? Contact Gurukrupa today and take the first step towards maximizing your profits with packaging efficiency and precision. Because at Gurukrupa, your success is our business.